this is my little travel sewing kit. Do you call them housewife?
I usually call the ones that are like the small cloth ones a housewife or a housewife, but you know, I got your sewing tin, I have my sewing box. It is so warm in here.
It is. What are you sewing?
You were talking about eyelets. So I was thinking, you know, I do hand eyelets, but your piece that you were trying to repair has a metal grommet, and you can bind the metal grommets. So if we were repairing your tear, this is what I would suggest.
Oh.
But you can also do, you can remove the metal and do hand eyelets, but I thought I'd bring you an example of both so you could choose how you want to repair yours.
You're ingenious.
So there are hand sewn eyelets. For your repair project, yours has metal grommets, and you can cover the metal grommets in thread.
You know what I was thinking is that this hole has frayed so much that it doesn't fit the rusty grommet anymore.
Well, that's when we can do a hand eyelet on it. I mean, ideally, I would give you a little patch too. Yeah, perfect. So what you want to do is to whip stitch around the edges.
I do it the wrong way around, right?
You're doing it backwards. So pretend I had a knot in the back, but this is your patch, this is your backpack. You want to grab a little bite of both, like that, and that is a whip stitch.
Thank you, dear.
I mean, ideally, I would go through and whip stitch around that hole too, just like the eyelets here. You want to stitch your guidelines around there. We can give you a new hole. Here's your new eyelet. It does have to be rather large because you have to fit the whole cord in there. All right. So you're going to need to go through and stitch the circle. This makes sure that the hole doesn't stretch out and gives me a nice guide for where the whip stitches that hold the hole open will go. Okay, so it's reinforced. Now what you need to do is you need to start making those spokes, grabbing the inside of the circle and going around the guideline. Basically, I am just going to go around this hole and fill it in with some whip stitches, which reinforce the edge so that you can thread it with ribbons or cord, or kind of looks like a sunburst. And you do want to pull this pretty hard. This is button twist. This will pull and won't break.
Okay.
Close to each other.